A client purchases your project management software just in time for the biggest project of the year. However, your software offers zero onboarding. No step-by-step emails, no phone calls. In 60 seconds, I'll tell you why this is a time and money waster. First, like dating, being unavailable is unattractive. If you don't have a proper email and phone number set up for customer service, you're missing interpersonal communication with top clients, which is crucial to relationship building. You're leaving them hanging without answers, resulting in unhappy customers, bad reviews, and ultimately a loss in revenue. Second, not every customer is a self-learner or has the time to dedicate to self-learning. You're viewing your software's UX through an expert level, while your customer is just getting familiar with the login page. At the very least, offer pop-ups when they first log in to walk through the basic UX. Onboarding should account for every style of learning. Third, you're risking a loss in referrals. If your platform is too complicated to learn and you don't offer the appropriate support for clients, why would they refer you to friends and colleagues? It's simple. Prioritize onboarding to achieve happy, paying, loyal customers. And that's my Marketing Minute. Tune in next time.